Okay, Campbell, this one's for you, mate. So let's go through it. I've written it up first and I'll explain the steps as I go through to save the uploading time. Okay, so we start with the problem that you specify. So this is 5g. My first step is to flip the second fraction and turn it into a multiply, hence why you see the red arrow. This is our multiplication. So then the next step we're going to do is just multiply our fractions as per normal. So 4 times 8 gives us 32, and 1 times 6 is 6. I then will look at my variable, so let's look at m. m has a power of a half here, and m has a power of 3/4 over here. So just as I normally do when I multiply two things, I add the powers. So half plus 3/4 is going to lead me to my next step, which gives me 5/4. So then let's go back to the ends. Okay, so with n I've got n to the 3/4 and I've got n to the half. So in the next step I'm going to do 3/4 plus a half. My denominators don't change because 1 times anything is itself. So that leads me to this step here. So now let's simplify. So 32 over 6 is actually going to be 16 over 3 if I divide everything by 2. Once I add half and 3/4 together, I get 5/4. I add 3/4 plus a half again. I get the same result, 5/4. And I have my denominator as such. Now as I'm dividing, I'm going to subtract my powers. So 5/4 minus a third is here, which leads me to 11/12. And 5/4 minus a quarter is here, which leads me to 1. So your final answer should be, let's see if I can highlight this. I don't know where that is, so I'm just going to leave it. So that should hopefully do it for you.